This is a Dell Venue 8 Pro tablet. I got this tablet for Christmas, and I got it off Amazon for $250, so yeah, pretty decent deal, and this is a very, very nice tablet. It is running Windows 8.1. It has a 1.33 gigahertz quad-core Intel Atom Bay Trail CPU. That of course has Intel HD graphics, and it has 2 gigs of RAM. This is the model that has 32 gigs of internal storage. So let me give you an overview of the device. So over on this side we have nothing. On the bottom here we have a little sticker, and we have our mono speaker right here. On the top of it here we have a micro SD card slot under here, a microphone, volume up and down, power, charging indicator LED, and micro USB port. This port is used for charging, and you can also connect USB devices to it with a micro USB to USB adapter. And finally, up on the top here we have our Windows key and our 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back of the device here, you can see it has like a rubberized finish here with like ridges in it in the form of a circle around the Dell logo. But at the top here we have a 5 megapixel camera, and at the bottom here we have an Intel Inside logo and some licensing sticker and a licensing information sticker down there. So, let me go ahead and turn off the light, and we'll boot up the tablet. Be right back. Okay, so here it is, and to boot up the tablet, all you have to do is press the power button at the top. As you can see, it is booting. Oh, and I forgot to mention that there is a front-facing camera up at the top. Okay, so now you can see we are in the Windows 8.1 start screen. It's very, very fluid, as you can see. All the animations are very good. Let's go ahead and go to the desktop environment here. As you can see, I have a couple Windows apps installed here. I have Google Chrome, which I use as my main browser, but may or may not be the best thing to use because Internet Explorer is very, very optimized for this. And let's go ahead over to YouTube here. As you can see, Chrome supports a touch gesture scrolling, as you can see, but it is a little bit laggy and doesn't have like any touch style animations. But if we go over here to the Metro Internet Explorer interface, you can see that it is very, very optimized for touch. As you can see, there's no lag whatsoever, and yeah, it works perfectly fine. I don't know if there's really any real difference between this and Google Chrome, but I just use Google Chrome for whatever reason, because I'm used to using Google Chrome on Windows PCs. But that's that. And everything works as you'd expect. Performance is very good on this system. Let's go into System Properties. Okay, as you can see, Windows 8.1, 2 gigs of RAM, Atom Z3740D CPU, quad-core once again. As you can see, it is running the 32-bit version of Windows 8.1. I'm not exactly sure why that is, but I'm pretty sure it's because the EFI BIOS on this system, the UEFI bootloader, is only capable of booting a 32-bit operating system. So, yeah, the resolution, here, I'll show you that right now. As you can see, the resolution is 1280 by 800, and the pixel density is very high on this. It's not as high as, say, a Retina display on an iPhone or iPad, but it is very high, and makes a lot of things pretty tiny. And the desktop environment on this isn't exactly the most touch-friendly thing in the world, but it works perfectly for me. So, let me go back over here to Device Manager. Let's see. As you can see, it's got Intel HD graphics. It doesn't really specify which type of Intel HD graphics it has. But if you really want to know, if you're looking to do something with this system, here are the hardware IDs. So yeah, that is, and as you can see, it detects 4 cores of the CPU. So, that is the new Dell Venue 8 Pro that I got for Christmas. This far, it's very good. I like it very much, and it is the first computer I've actually used Windows 8.1 on, or any version of Windows 8 for that matter, because it is a touchscreen, and obviously Windows 8.1 is very oriented for touch. I personally do not like using it on a standard desktop computer. So that is the Dell Venue 8 Pro. I'll go ahead and shut it down. As you can see, it shuts down very quickly. And that is the Dell Venue 8 Pro. Hope you enjoyed this video.